But look, I mean, we've been making these moves. This is, I mean, I think it's more bullish of us chopping sideways than I do think it's bearish, for sure, right here, especially after, you know, we've seen in the past what we've done. Like, if you describe it to what we did, I think when we talked about it last, like in, was it 2017 or whatever the last, not the last bull run, but the one before it, where we went under the all-time high, like we have, chopped around up and down, like we have, and then we make our way out. I mean, we got to start making our way out soon to continue the run. So that's why I think I mean, you got an inverse head and shoulder on a fucking, you know, 1 hour there, 4 hour it's forming. I mean, it's been boring people for a minute today. I don't know. I think the move would be up.
Yeah. I agree. I think it's due for a something, man. It's squeezing like crazy. That's the daily. How did the daily go? Let's have a look. So the Thursday candle.
Look, if you believe it's the
was
bull
kind
run,
of lame, dude. We had a really nice candle for Wednesday. Thursday was meh, like it came back and retraced 50% of it, basically, and now here we are. Come out. Get the ball rolling.
I mean, look, if this is the run, this shouldn't be lasting much longer. This down movement or this
pullback.
Chop. I mean, if this is the run, we've had our pullback. We've had some chop in here.
I see it.
And what did stocks do? Didn't we break another all-time high or what?
No.
God, the women here. My God, it's warm weather. They're all out. I love driving home through the downtown. Jesus.
What's that overlay thing? Oh, stream kit overlay. Discord stream kit overlay. Sorry, go ahead.
For OBX?
Yeah, for OBS, yeah. Just getting it on my stream right now. Getting it fixed up.
OBS, yeah. I used to live in OBX, my bad.
OBS.
Outer Banks.
Did you really?
All is one. Voice channel, crypto chat. And can it see me talking? Yes, it can. Alright. Make it 20 pixels large. Grab that hyperlink. And slam it on down the Discord overlay.
Sexy.
And that should technically get it working on... Yes, there it is. Discord overlay is working again. Good to see you again, my friend. Alright. The background's on. Do we need the background? Maybe? Yeah. It's fine. Close that off. What is up, YouTube? What's up, Tater Dom? May we have your thoughts on Solana, please? Of course, my friend. What's up, Buddy Langford? Feason King? Yo, Rick. Feason. So Solana did that really impressive move a few days ago, like 3 or 4 days ago. Let's open up a Sol chart. Let's go on the hourly and zoom out a little bit. Let me take down a smidgen. Alright. Yeah, man, it's head and shoulders looking-ish. Like you got a peak, a higher peak, and then you got a lower peak. So it's like that is like a topping type formation. However, the lows are kind of all over the place. Like this low here is a deep push. I still think we need to see, like, primarily look to Bitcoin. Like that is the green light to the market. And what does Bitcoin look to? The SPY, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, that kind of thing. And that made an all-time high 2-day, the Thursday candle. What's up, Type Jack? Type Jack. The Jack type. And then if you like snap that all-time high line up there, yeah, we pulled in that all-time high line 2-day. Show the extended trading hours. Yeah, there we are. So I think what it's doing now, it's probably working on the gap fill. Like, so the Friday candle, which is yet to come, will probably maybe fill that gap, and then hopefully, optimistically thinking, come up and continue the trend, perhaps, for the SPY. So cool thing is we got through that FOMC thing. It was kind of a nothing burger once again. Like, you know, it does a thing and then it, like we anticipate up to it and nothing really moves for a while, or if not bleeds out, and then the FOMC happens and we're like, oh, okay, cool, we've closed that chapter now. We don't have to anticipate it coming up, kind of thing. So yeah, so Solana macro uptrend, freaking really healthy. There's nothing bearish about Solana from this time frame, like the daily or even the 4-hour. I don't think the 4-hour is saying anything overly bearish. If you're looking lower than that though, like you're looking in the micro, you lost this low here. We dip below, and now you've got a lower high. So you have the high here, and now you've got a lower high here. So to change the character back to bullish, you need to crack this high here. You need to get above that. So the next move would have to be basically something like this. And then even better if you can attack that high here. If you can get higher than that, it's, you know, game on for the higher time frames as well. Like, it's just continuation. So yeah, I think this is a bit ugly to call that a head and shoulders. Maybe technically you could say yes, but the neckline's all the way like this. The neckline is like that. So Solana would have to fall considerably to validate this as a head and shoulders. It'd have to come all the way down here like that. And like this would be the validation here, where yes, that's a head and shoulders. But right now it is not head and shoulders yet. It's for all. I mean, look, check out this is a little trend that's happening right now on the 1-hour chart. This is a sub-trend of support. It's coming up and it's behaving against it, so that's cool. So valid and active until broken. And right now it looks like there's evidence of support being held at this trend. So if it breaks it, you know, breaks through it, and you get candle closes below it, then it's like, okay, we might be doing this head and shoulders thing. But other than that, I think this blue line is your optimistic case. Like, this is your case for holding support. You've got a low, a higher low, another higher low. And then what kind of resistances are we dealing with as far as trends go? It's probably like this, I would say, with Solana. So it's in like a bit of a pennant formation right now. Resistance trend, just like that. And that's about all you really need to know about Solana, technically. Everything else is oscillators and moving averages and all that stuff, which I think this is primary though. Like, you got to look at supports and trend and market structure first.
And that Slurf is a Solana token, and it's going to fucking moon. I'm telling you.
There you go.
At some point.
You heard it from the man.
Go. Yeah, at some point. At some point.
Yes, at some point. How's our boy Silly going? I know Next Gen had a little baby rally, and then it's like
it was going all right today. Yeah.
Next Gen is like Degen Central. kinda. It's extreme value because it went like
Rick,
100% down. Yeah.
I got a theory, Rick.
On next gen or on Silly?
No.
Or
On Silly and on Slurp.
Slurf. Okay. What's this theory?
So you know, there's been a lot of talk about Slurf, about what happened and all that.
Yeah, how the dude lost.
And it's gotten
like
a lot
million.
of volume.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been volume in it, a lot of volatility, a lot of action.
Promise. Yeah.
So.
Bitcoin, beautiful.
Same with Silly.
Yeah. Hell
I'm
yeah,
wondering if we get rotation, Rick, from the memes in Solana that ran a bit like Bonk, and it starts to move into Silly and into Slurf, because I've seen them kind of have some strong reactions the last few days.
Mm-hmm. It looks like we're getting a bit of a pump here, though, right now, on the small time frame, like micro pumps. Things are picking up a little.
Oh yeah, because we're gonna fucking rip.
This squeeze was real on Bitcoin. Let me zoom in on that.
Forget.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that.
Feeling it, Ocean, in my balls.
So it's bouncing off the flipper. It really is. And if by flipper,
You feel that tidal wave about to fucking crash on somebody's head?
Yeah.
Yeah, shorts.
At all times, man.
Maybe.
At all times.
The tsunami is coming.
No, Rick, not at all time. Right now.
Yeah.
It's on the horizon, bro.
Yeah, I feel it. I can feel
Look what they did. Look what they did, Rick. They tried to scare us again today. After a nice day, everyone, we kept trying to trade the chop yesterday night into today. It's a sour day. You had a nice little lift, and then they bored us.
Mm-hmm.
They're not gonna dump it. They're gonna frickin' rip this shit because everyone decided to get out and go, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. And then, whoo!
What's the mechanics of a dump? What has to happen? A bunch of people with a hell of a lot of Bitcoin have to sell their Bitcoin before the halving happens. How awkward is that? It's like, you've got all this Bitcoin, the halving, which is historically a positive feature of the journey, right? And you have to sell a whole bunch of Bitcoin before the halving? That's very... I don't think that's going to happen en masse, man. I don't know.
That was the last piece of the puzzle. We're going down, dude.
Yeah. Look, we had a falling wedge and it's
Damn it,
coming
OG.
out of the flipper. Coming out of the flipper.
God damn you, Fractal OG.
No.
Yeah, well...
That was the last piece of the puzzle.
What are you talking about? Yeah, get out of here with that fractal. That fractal will end up...
What, me being bullish?
Going some other way at some point.
KG being bullish.
KG being bullish. Let's see.
When's the happening?
The halving.
April 26th.
Oh,
April 26th.
We got plenty of time to run up.
30 days.
Plenty.
Oh, what up, Keeks?
Oh, yeah.
See your name pop up.
Plenty of time to take a shit, too.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of time.
It's called the halving, not the happening, you fucking elves.
Look, if we
I
don't
want to hear about you
continue
anymore.
a typical...
Get
If we don't fucking continue a typical...
This is not Lord of the Rings.
Goddamn.
My God! If we don't fucking continue a typical bull run, then all of this is bullshit. All of it. All of it. Because then it just doesn't make any sense.
Right.
Jesus,
and it's just
make
pure
the goddamn
random.
move. Just get it over with. We haven't really done anything. We kind of went up to 7. Cool. Fucking do it.
Not having stupid hobbitses.
Stupid hobbitses.
Well, someone's...
Yeah, JRR token.
Did you take your
having-
profit fly? Did I miss that? You took your profit?
I made $38, dude.
Oh,
All right, thank God.
And he recovered his entire account
Why,
at
is
the
there-
same time.
Quai, is there a JRR token?
Token.
Ah,
be
dude,
great.
that's a good idea. If there's not, then there should be. We should
A
make it
token token? A token
and then
token?
rug pull it.
Lord of the coins.
Taint token, yeah.
Yeah,
Taint.
we can put out this big rumor that there's going to be a new Lord of the Rings movie coming out pretty soon, and it's going to be on April 1st that it's released. It was a really secretive,
dead
impromptu
giveaway.
thing, and then
We can sell knockoff Lord of the Rings NFTs.
yeah, dude.
We can get
We can make
report for
fucking
copyright strikes. We can
Make
we
them
can
with
all
free AI so the art's garbage.
yeah, we can freaking put a hat on Schmeagle and call him Schmeagle with hat.
that.
Schmeagle with hat, dude.
yeah.
Oh my God, if Slurf rips, I'm gonna be so fucking happy. Like, this thing is so fucking fun. Come on.
Make a
Love.
whiff token?
Yeah, how's Solana?
Is it?
Solana's good.
Am I the only one who's
Solana's
been
looking
trading
alright.
it?
Solana's fine. So far, I think, my dude. Yep.
Like, I don't get why no
Silly.
one else is trading this thing, man. Like,
Silly's looking
super.
prime,
This is like
dude.
talked about.
Have you looked at Silly
Because
on
we
the
got
1 hour
enough on
zoomed
our
out?
hands.
Have you looked at the 4-hour Silly chart
Can't
yet,
fucking.
KG?
Yeah, it looks awesome, Rick. I
Looks-
think we're
looks really
gonna
nice.
have a rotation, just Slurf and Silly on the Solana memes.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. So
Bonk was fun, but Silly's even more fun now, and same with Slurf.
yeah, I feel like Bonk is giant now, so it's lost all its impressive performance. Whereas Silly is a micro cap. It's like less than $100 million or something.
No one thinks Slurf is gonna do shit because they think it's just run by a goddamn idiot, which is why I'm bullish on.
Interesting. I like it. I mean, look, you pulled $14,000 out of Silly, right?
Still,
Something like Silly.
Yeah.
That's great. It's excellent.
and I want to buy more Silly. I should just put a spot on there.
You could just do like me, do a really big 3x and pad it to 0.
Well, that's
Same
a good
thing.
idea.
Same thing as spot, except at some point you can pull some of that capital out without reducing the position size.
Ooh, I'll do that, and I'll just set limits on the way down if it goes down
Bybit.
or up.
DOGE. Well, that's cool. So far, everything's somewhat green. We're only like 17 minutes into the daily. Next gen's down 11%. Bohm is down 1.8%. I'm glad you got out of that. Why?
Slurf is up 1%.
What's the price on that next gen right now?
It's like 7.3 cents. 7.30.
What's so great about it?
It's just
I'm
that
just curious where because Sammy bought 200 at 10 cents.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's just this coin that ripped over a million %. It literally went. Let me open up MEXC for those on YouTube.
How did we?
Let me just close.
Sammy wanted it because in his eyes it's got Luna recovery potential.
So on the 15-minute chart for next gen, I'll go full screen. This is next gen, boys and girls.
What's the ticker?
Next gen,
Next gen?
NEXTGEN. Next Jennifer.
It's funny like that.
It sounds like a crispy ticker.
That's the ticker.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
NEXTGEN USDT.
Yeah. So
Next gen. Just spell it out.
it ripped. I mean, I don't know if you class this as like actual public access prices down here. Probably not. But to all the way to the top there, that's like 3.5 million% from down there up to here, and then it spent
300,000.
all of this time bleeding out. But the bounces were incredible, like 5,345% bounce right there, which real people, like real users, could have ridden that. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? But and then down here,
Short-term upside change your character Bitcoin.
yeah. Yeah, look, Bitcoin's attacking 66k. That's really
Yeah.
cool. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Creeping on a come up. Yeah.
Well,
Very nice. You know,
Your chart is just going down. It's okay. You don't understand. Let me tell you, because you're always telling people what to understand. I'm going to tell you what to understand.
so
I don't want to hear about you anymore.
Wait. So it's Obel is the ticker.
Opal.
Opal.
no,
Fuck.
Obel.
no.
No.
I'm spelling it in TradingView. I don't see next gen or next.
It's only.
gen.
It's not in.
Just-
it's not in futures.
Yeah, look at my
Opal's
stream.
one to watch, so I've been
Well,
watching
who the
that
fuck
for
wants to trade it?
Yeah, look,
fucking like 3 years.
next,
It went
Did you
from
not
the
hear
spot-
because the spot
Did
potential.
you not hear the percentage that it
Yeah.
moved? You don't need futures for that.
Yeah, you don't need futures for that, man. Its spot swings are incredibly crazy. However, it is now
And it's at the
like
bottom.
it is now on the bottom. It's on the floor, dude. Like, look at that. You can't even see its performance compared to its. You have to go logarithmic to see what's going on with it. How sus is that right there? Let's see how flat that floor is right there. That is so weird. And then it did another one sorta down here. This is where Sammy was looking at it, I think. But he got it at 10 cents, I think.
Do you know what I mean?
You know what I mean? I think he got it up here. And then it dropped the floor. Dropped the tier. Now it's come up a tier.
Oh shit! Just dropped again.
Yeah.
Damn it!
Yeah,
I was
it's
just up
down
like $10. Now I'm down 34.
Nah.
This looks like a coin that's just gonna get delisted.
I mean, shit.
It's only been out for like how many days? Like 3 days? 3.5
3?
days?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This looks like a total scam. What are you guys doing?
I know.
Making
It's
money.
terrible.
I told you. I told you. Sammy bought it because he thinks he's gonna get some kind of Luna style recovery off of it.
If it recovers 1/10 of it,
What is it? What are you guys looking at?
next gen.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That thing's wild.
It's terrible. It's
Yeah, that thing's
It's
too
sus.
wild, man.
I mean, if you ain't making it onto CoinMarketCap and you've been out for 3.5 days, then something's up. Next gen, is it on here yet? No, it's not even on.
It's on
here.
TradingView.
It's on TradingView now, but oh my
I
god, the
know.
liquidity is so shit on the chart.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Which means you have to set limits, because if you do market anything,
Yeah, this.
it'll.
I
slip
just think
all
it's
over
gonna
the
get
place.
delisted. Looks
It's-
like one of those total fucking
Yeah,
scam
MEXC
coins.
coin.
It
Dude,
looks
this
like
thing
an
got
accident.
fucking mega rugged.
Yeah, it looks like an accident.
Yes,
is-
but this is the bottom.
This is the
It can't go any
Dude.
lower.
No,
Right.
yeah, but it's never. It might never go back up. This thing got mega rugged, dude. That candle is like Squid Game status.
If it goes up to anything,
Where's 0 right there?
it went from two. It's already went from 2 cent to 15 cent, and today
There you go.
or yesterday maybe.
Money laundering.
How many doubles is that? 2, 4, 8, 16.
Let's
It's 300%.
Every
Speak-
coin
Happy-
I look at that looks like this, all I see is money laundering.
Dudes,
Half these
Yeah.
projects
I
are
like
just
clean
fucking
money.
people money laundering, bro.
I like money.
Yeah.
I like clean money. I like clean money.
Speaking of MEXC, like spot shitcoins that come out, is there anything brand new that's like pulling in crazy percentages? Because if you go onto innovation, I think it is, and you, yeah, look, so Z or ZTN Zatin coin is up 3,600% right now. Check that shit. Look at that. Look at that. That's just in the last That was 5 hours ago. Look at that shit. 1,234%. That is wild.
Yeah,
man.
cheers for telling us now, Rick.
Yeah, I know, it's late, but just look at that shit. Wow.
Just look at it.
Look at that. Look at that. Just downtrend too. It's just it just had no hope at the time. It was just meow. And look at it. If you connect with a Ray, if you get a Ray Romano on this thing and you put it like there, it almost like tells you where the tops are gonna be. Everybody loves trend lines. Yeah.
Here's one early.
What's up, Palm Beach Peter? Hello, man.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Send
so you got
CENNZ.
Yeah, you got a crazy. I mean, what the hell? They're just out of nowhere, bang, 8,000% up. What the?
And it's still up there. That's the crazy thing.
Z or ZTN. Is it even on CoinMarketCap? It might be ZTN. Yeah. Oh no.
Here's one tree run. Looks like he's getting ready to do something crazy.
Yeah.
It's CENZ. CENNZ. Looks like he's about ready to do something.
Is it Kickstarter or Launchpad on MEXC where it tells you what's going to come out in the next?
I think it's Launchpad.
Launchpad. Okay. Look up
Yeah.
Launchpad. See if there's anything crazy that's coming out. Pre-height. Oh, there's nothing in here.
Yeah.
Do I have to
Kickstarter's
refresh?
the MX one.
Spot.
Kickstarter shows you what will be coming, but
Oh, gotcha.
not for a while.
Tyrell Derpton. Frog on Soul. Frog on Soul? Gib. I like Gib. That sounds cool. Like a gibbon. Deep Brain Chain. Pikamoon. Like Pokemon, but Pikamoon.
Sorry,
Pika.
here.
Oh, dude, that's gonna do something. Pikamoon.
Yeah.
Pika. Millie?
Pikamoon.
Pikamoon.
Millie.
Initial listing commitment stage. Okay, so you can commit. MX? Is that the MEXC native token?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have to hold it for 30 days.
No, okay. And then you have to be there when they launch it so that you can dump it.
Yeah.
And take profit. Oh god.
I would have
MEXC.
fucking.
Degens.
I would have done it when MX was still cheap, but now it would cost like $5,000 to do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, MX won't let.
So
To
it's
do
kind
what?
of to get the enough.
Cut out.
You're cutting
Damn
out,
it!
dude.
To get the, you need to hold enough MX tokens in order to get the early release on the coin. You can get it 10 minutes before everybody else. You can buy in, and then when it is released, it'll skyrocket.
On any coin?
Well, whatever new coins they release on MEXC that comes from a DEX, or if it's like just a new coin that's just being released on MEXC that has never been anywhere else.
All right. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you get a 10-minute head start on everyone else.
So if something becomes of it, does that mean it potentially has the ability to go on other exchanges and CoinMarketCap and get a bit more legitimacy, that kind of thing?
I mean, maybe, but most of the ones I've seen just get rugged. Like 99% of them get rugged immediately.
They just take it away off the MEXC?
Yeah. No, like they fucking basically either go down past where they opened, or and then maybe they recover. But if they hold higher than where they opened, sometimes they run.
Do they get delisted after the fact?
I give them 30 to 60 days, right?
Yeah, they have to prove themselves. They have to prove some sort of legitimacy within,
right, and
like,
then if
30
no
to
one's
60
interested,
days.
it gets abandoned, and then the people that bought into
Pretty
it
much.
get stuck. That's sad. So be careful with these MEXC shitcoin things. But
Yeah, like I bought a coin called What the Fuck,
You be careful.
and I
am
bought a
careful.
coin called Fuck It. They're both gone.
Oh, Doge is ripping on the small time frame.
That's so weird that a coin called Fuck It didn't do very well.
Yeah, I think I only put like $10 into it. I was like, oh, fuck, I'll put $10 in. Fuck it.
Fuck it. I love it.
That's how they get you. You probably bought Rug too, didn't you?
No, I almost did.
Never paper pussy either. It was all
But yeah,
given
like
away.
the like ones that are on a DEX beforehand and then they get released on MEXC, they usually pump, and then everyone that had it on a DEX just transfers it over and fucking rug pulls it. Or they, you know, if there's enough liquidity on the DEX that they're on, they get rid of it. And they sell it for other tokens or other coins.
Weird. Do you have a text chain going to confirm this? Or so?
To confirm what?
Whiff is getting whiffed.
Their moves that you know they do.
I mean, it's pretty, like, it's just by power of deduction. I can only assume, because if you look at something
Oh, it was an assumption. Gotcha.
on DEX Screener, right, or DEX
You
You
Tools,
said it like you knew it for sure. I was checking.
well, you can see the price action on DEX Tools before it fucking goes onto exchange. So yeah, if people are buying up into it, you can see all that previous price action before it gets released, and then it fucking, as soon as it gets released, it's dropped.
And then they just buy other coins, right?
I would assume. Or if they sell it on the DEX, like a lot of DEXs, you swap it for a fucking coin. So if it's on Solana, you can swap it for Solana. If it's on ETH, you swap it for ETH, but it still takes away from the market cap.
Swap it.
There's a lot of volatility coming in right now. But Bitcoin had a pullback candle there, which was pretty good.
I mean, look at all these shit coins that came out on Solana and they pumped and then they got rugged and Solana's ripping. You know, there's obviously people swapping it into Solana. It's just, you know, power of deduction, like I said. I don't really need anyone to tell me that that's what's happening. Can see it in the chart. There's evidence.
You're not going to tell me that's what's happening, then I don't know you.
Who are you? Who are you, and what have you done with Qui-Gon Quinn?
Qui-Gon Quinn.
Qui-Gon gone.
Qui-Gon Quinn, medicine woman.
Qui-Gon Quinn. Quingon Jan.
Hell yeah.
Sort of just want to put $1,000 in next year and see what the fuck happens.
Quingon Jan. I want that.
Yeah, fuck it.
Gun.
Quingon Jan.
Fuck it.
Why not?
Drop it.
I mean,
Pull it. Fuck it.
A lot of the stuff I say that may sound like assumptions is pretty obvious that if you put two and two together.
No, you admitted it was an assumption. You have no actual proof.
You
It's
said it was obvious.
I mean, proof's in the charts.
No, there's no
Proof's in
proof
the pudding.
unless you
Proof's in
actually
the pudding.
talk to the people and they say, yes, that's exactly what I did.
Well, I mean, I have talked to a few people that have done that, yeah.
You got the
People-
text chain.
People that are on DEX.
Ooh, who rides dicks?
Dude, like Serrano and Cleo are really
Yeah,
into
they do.
fucking DEX trading.
The people on dicks.
I need to meet some of them people.
I'm gonna start getting on a DEX because I need to start fucking getting these coins before they get listed on like a
Yeah, but how do you know?
on a
which
centralized
one?
exchange. You don't.
You know, it's a gamble.
I mean, there is. I guess there's like Reddit groups and stuff that you can go to and see what people are talking about or whatever.
MEXC.
Other discords.
And you
There's
gotta be
ways.
ready to sell in the 3 seconds that it fucking goes up.
We've been getting a nice little pullback here.
And not be a
$20 now. It's coming back up. Next degen. Oh, that's what it is. Next degen. Not next gen. Bop it. Start. Pull it. Twist it. Fuck it.
I'm just kidding. I agree with you. I want to do that also.
No, if I figure it out, I'll let you know.
Oh, it needs a lot of pull money. Already affiliate.
Kawhi and Kiki are going to be in here coordinating. Like, all right, the next drop's in 10 minutes. You ready? We're going to dump on these fuckers.
I'm gonna be at work. One of us has to fucking bring home the bacon.
That's not halal.
Did Kawhi just get a girlfriend?
All right, Bitcoin's gone on sale.
Dude, and she's got a
Staying
job.
single.
Kawhi.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go.
I am flattered, but I'm staying single forever.
Me too.
Same.
I think we all are.
100%.
That's like by choice and by force.
I can't let anybody sleep in the
Yeah,
spot
you
on
haven't
my
got a choice.
laptop.
You ain't got a choice, mate. If no one's into it, no one's into it.
I'll get into it. I just don't stay single.
Smash the like button, YouTube.
Oh yeah, right.
It's alright.
I like the smash button. My bad.
Yeah, I like the smash button.
Smash the smash button, YouTube.
Smash the like button. Like or subscribe.
It's like hot or ready pizza.
I'm subscribed,
Never miss.
Rick.
Unsubscribe.
Me too.
Nice. Holding the team up.
Don't forget to subscribe to my notification bell.
Oh yeah, Tubes.
Oh man. Where did my money go?
Ah, come on. Come on.
Oh, yeah, I took it out.
It looked real cool. It was like almost at $66,000 and now it's like at $65,450. Come on.
Oh, I know.
2.
That pullback. Oh no. This wasn't supposed to happen, guys. It wasn't supposed to be like this. Oh,
I know it
maybe
should have
it's,
been like a $2-3 by now on Doge too.
maybe it's coming back to bounce off the flipper. Like you got that potential. Bounce it off the flipper. Where did my drawing go for that? Yeah, it's up here. There it is. Got to bounce it off the flipper.
Relax, Jimmy Savile.
Jimmy Savile drawing. Maybe I should move it over here. Oop. Grabbed an extra line, that's okay. This line. So if we do get a bounce off this falling wedge top, That could be interesting. That could be cool. Break out, bounce it off. Know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
Oh yeah, not a whole lot to talk about, YouTubes. As far as Bitcoin's concerned, it's just sideways, really. Downtrend is still intact
Yep.
off the high.
You says it's tomorrow.
Pardon? Cut out there a little bit. You roboted for me.
On your YouTube, it says it's tomorrow.
Yeah, because I'm in Australia land.
It's fucking awesome.
He's down under.
And
The fucking
and,
futures.
oh yeah, Cheddar's the 22nd as well, right now, as of 40 minutes ago.
Yep.
Yeah.
We trading with futures.
So we ain't in the future, we in the present. It's just that America is UTC minus 4 hours. You guys are behind the time.
Yeah,
You
we're
guys are behind
past
the times.
tense. Way past tense.
Past tense. You guys
Full
are
side
looking
characters.
backwards. Side quest. Yeah, so from a structure perspective for Bitcoin, it's still in a downtrend, man. Look, there's the all-time high, the new all-time high. We've had a low, we've had a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and another lower high at the moment. That's where we're at, and we're currently working on whatever this is. Is this going to become another lower low, or is it going to become the first higher low? So to change the character, the current price to do that is right at this high here, this pivot. That is $68,250 roughly. 68,250 will change the character of Bitcoin back to an uptrend on this time frame. This is the 1 hour chart. It's probably, you could probably argue it's the same for the 4 hour chart. They're kind of similar. But when you go daily, it's like, okay, all of those pivots kind of, you can smooth them out into one move. And then you can say, like, you got a high here, a low here, a high, a low, a high, and a low. And so the last point of structure was this one down here, down at 50,000. So that this is all still uptrend, technically speaking. And then weekly, of course, uptrend. Monthly, of course, uptrend. And that's about all she wrote. You guys have that saying in the US? That's all she wrote?
Yeah.
Yeah,
TV show about it too.
that's all she wrote. She didn't write any other pages, that was it.
All she wrote.
Okay, Bitcoin is bouncing off the flipper as we speak.
Oosh.
Did you call me?
Yeah, it back tested the top side of the falling wedge, which is bouncing off the flipper for those playing at home.
Okay.
If it rallies off this and gets above 66,000, then hell yeah. One cool thing is on the 5 minute chart, you've got a low here, a higher low, higher low, higher lows here, or if you're calling that a low, you've lost that, but then you've broken back above this high. So character is up on the 5 minute uptrend still, and we back tested that and we found support, which is nice. And it's also lining up with this support zone here too. Horizontal.
Dude, that daily candle was not what I was hoping for
Yeah, same. I thought we were
on
gonna
BTC.
get like, yeah. It was a retracement.
We got that freaking engulfing, that giant engulfing candle.
And then we gave 50% of it backwards. Yep.
Yeah, man.
Pretty sobering.
Yeah.
Pretty sobering.
At least it's not
Yeah.
engulfing.
Yeah, at
It's a
least
bearish harami though.
right. At least it didn't
But
give
it
the
can
whole
still
candle
recover.
back. Right.
Oh man, dude, if we gave that whole, if we engulfed it to the
Oh,
upside
my
and then
God.
gave it all back, oh my god, dude,
That's a
Going to
tease.
that would have
zero.
been a disaster. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, at least here it looks like you could be building like some type of inverted head and shoulders type of,
Yeah.
thing out here.
I mean, from this
Doesn't it
perspective,
almost-
just let me pull a fib on it to the high. We're doing like a 382 support right now. We go down to the hour. Just
Yeah,
to
look where it
get
wicked down
resolution.
to before the 0.5. It bounced right off it.
Right off the 0.5. Yeah.
Hmm.
So that's nice.
And
That
then,
is,
do you
that's
got volume?
That's turbo-centric right there. Volume?
You got volume on your chart? Check the volume on that candle.
Let's turn it on.
Turn it up, son.
Turn up the volume.
Yeah, no huge volume spike. The volume's still lower than the biggest dip.
I don't know why it keeps doing this. I gotta save it as the default. My volumes. There we go. So yeah, we're just chopping old
There wasn't even a
sideways
volume
there.
spike at the lowest low. So.
I like looking at daily for volume too, because it's like, okay, well that giant red candle was pretty high volume. The up candle that recovered it was off less volume, which means the books were kind of clear on the top side for the price to come up. It didn't take as much volume to get it back up, as it did to get it down. So that means coming down, there was a lot of supports getting busted, and that's why the volume was high on the dump. Same with this candle here. There was a lot of volume to sell through to get it to wick down here, and that's why this volume candle's giant.
And then looking at this daily, I would expect us to at least go up to 68K again at some point today.
Yeah, I would like that. Look, it's a really nice turbo situation, man. It's a 0.5 retest, 0.5 fib level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're
Doesn't
coming
it almost seem like they're trying to entice people to short?
I mean, with a big, strong 50%.
Yeah, man.
Bounce,
Today was a weird day. I really I wasn't very active today, but I was checking in periodically, and it just did not go how I thought it would go today at all.
Yeah, it's a weird day.
Especially with looking back at the SPY all-time highs, whatever, and then we had this just kind of blah day after that bullish engulfing, and it didn't kind of match up for me everything and not just that the BTC has to follow the SPY, but I mean after the big day we had the day before, not getting any follow through. Like we didn't even, I mean, what did we make a higher high by like $20 or something like that today before coming back? So yeah,
and
just,
you would think, I think
weird.
you would think coming through the murky cloud of FOMC, like people, ooh, what's going to happen? We're through it now. It's like, okay, it was kind of a nothing burger. It was more of the same sentiment as what he said in previous meetings. So we're through that now. The S&P liked getting through it, obviously, gapped up. So cool. But then Bitcoin was like, I don't know, like I guess you could say it did. It came up off the back of coming through the FOMC meeting.
Oh, dude, you know what I love when someone slows down to 5 miles an hour to make a turn. Jeez, guy, let's go.
And then it indicates with
God.
one blink at the turn. Do you ever get that?
Right.
Or no indication.
Yeah.
Right
before the turn.
Yeah, it's like I'm turning right now. Bang, blinker. Or indicator.
It looks like there's more people longing right now than shorting. Looks like the
Dude,
shorts
I think it's
are
a
kind of
nice
falling
setup
off.
for the weekend, though. Yeah, Quiet. I think that, I really think that this pullback here is really just going to be a nice setup for the weekend because, the stock market has been bullish basically every Friday for, I mean, I want to say every. I don't know if Fox is here. So most Fridays.
Yeah, in general.
Most
Generally
Fridays,
speaking.
We're bullish. Yeah. So and actually not just like a little bit bullish, like very bullish. And then that'll, keep the SPY at all-time highs going into the weekend where, crypto can have some fun. So I think that based on what I see here on the daily and thinking that we're going to go back up to that 68K, I think that we have a nice setup for a nice bullish few days here coming up.
Yeah, I
The
agree.
daily
Probably
stochastic
at
is
least
coming off
until
the
then.
floor as well at the moment, so that's good. Yeah, I think it looks good for some upside.
And
Remember Monday morning?
Oh yeah, right.
Mondays,
Yeah, that's why I
oof.
said just the next few days, Friday and then the weekend, then we just
Yeah.
get cock slapped on Monday.
And then fucking
Hell
nuke
yeah.
it.
And we got surely
Hell
we've got
yeah.
the monthly close coming up. And
Well, I did
that's
put
Q
500
the
in the next
Q1
gen.
close. The Q1 close is coming up next Sunday. So not this Sunday, but next Sunday.
Did
for
you put
Q1.
500 into next gen?
Yeah, why not?
Freaking D-gen. Oh my god,
That's
you guys.
And
I
put
hope
it in
you-
right here.
I hope it
7.
does something wild, man. That'd be hilarious if you made like $50,000 off it or something.
Oh, I'm only down
Dude, I
$1
hope
now.
so. Yeah, I mean, I hope so. That just
That'd
does
be
not
incredible.
seem like that doesn't seem like the one that's gonna do it to me. I don't know, man. It's like
Yeah.
Luna Classic, like Samson was
Look at
saying,
it.
like you
Look
could
at that.
see why that one could have gotten something behind it. That one, it was just a freaking rug pull that dumped 99.9999999% after some like crazy. But yeah, I don't know.
Stupid.
It's
Yeah.
like longing Squid Games.
Down 100. It literally says down 100. Yeah, you were right, OG. It says down 100 for a while there. Like all of that part.
Yeah, can't go further than 100.
That's right.
This has got to be the bottom.
Like all that's 90. It's like
Only up.
Yeah.
Only up.
Yeah, up only from 100% down. That's right.
That's right. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's the lowest point.
I had $20 in it on the way down, and it's zero.
What is it at right now, OG?
7 cent.
Oh, wasn't it like 2 cents earlier or something?
Yeah, it's 8.3 cent.
And that's up from the low was 2 cents.
Yeah, that was like 2. Yeah, 1.5.
Okay. All right. Okay.
It started at 5 cent.
Dude, what a
Which is
wild
1,900.
ride that thing has been.
Right?
Even
For 3
even
days.
buying.
Well, I hope it goes back to freaking $1 million for you guys.
Oh yeah. Even buying
I mean-
this little trough down here, that would have been kind of cool too. Look. Wait a
Dude, if I
second,
would have got it
it's
at 2 cent, I'd already be like 3x.
Right. And that's see down here. If you bought it in this
Like, dude,
little accumulation box, and you even just holding it right now, you'd be up 88%. That's pretty cool. Spiked up
there's
to
a new coin
146.
pulling a fucking Luna Classic every day.
It's
Mhm.
very weird.
Probably like 100 new coins doing that.
MEXC's up to some weird shit, but that's alright.
Yeah, but this is MEXC's coin.
Yeah. Yeah, it exists in the MEXC ecosystem, nowhere else. You can't see it even. You can't
Well,
even see it on
they
CoinMarketCap.
probably
You got
they
charts
probably
of-
had the whole supply for free, and then
Right,
they got
right,
people to
but-
buy into it and then dumped it.
They don't make shit for nothing, though. It's advertising. If it brings people in, they're going to want people to enjoy it, right? And get something out of it. So they come back and call more people in. Kind of like advertising. Like Grail coin. It went up to from 500 to 7,000 or some shit. And then back down to 2,000. It's been sitting there since. Up and down. It beat Ethereum in like 3 days from $500. And it's still up there. It's still like $2,000 now. I caught that one on the way up, though, not on the way down. I averaged in on the way up.
I've got a little
And
bit
made
of a
money.
bone. I've got a little bit of a bone position. It might bomb out, but whatever. It's just a little bit of money. See what it can do. Oh, May.
Oh, me. Yeah.
Oh, May. Bomb coin. It's bombing out. Well, we'll see if Bitcoin can still bounce off the flipper. It's trying.
Off the flipper.
Yeah,
Off the flipper.
Bitcoin does.
I don't know where this line came from.
In my experience watching it,
$834 in rewards from MEXC. Not too shabby.
Oh yeah, nice man. It's a good amount of money
hey,
for just like getting rewards.
your last line.
In the last 40 days.
Oh really? You have to use it, and you can't withdraw.
No, just I've only been doing it for the last 40 days though.
Oh, I gotcha.
What do you have to do?
Just trade
Just
volume.
click on the shit every day
Click on the shit.
and trade volume.
Yeah. Trade a bunch of volume.
Yeah, I don't do nothing extra except for click on it every day.
Trading contests.
Oh my god, this thing has a nice triangle on it here. If it fucking lifts out of here right here, oh my god. Next gen, let's go!
Oh, you talk about Slurf or next gen?
Next gen.
Oh, next gen.
M-Day is the one you want to use. I've got the most out of that. It's like $622 from 221 to 321.
Let's track the progress of this next gen triangle.
M-Day?
Yeah, M-Day. It's every day. You go in and click on it. You got to turn your VPN on to do it. So.
Shyamalan.
Let's go next generation.
M-Day.
Next gen.
M-Day Shyamalan.
Yeah, it's just got a twist at the end.
Yeah, this could be something. Wow, in 15 minutes it's gone up 14%. Swing's pretty big, huh? Because it's so low, I guess.
That was KG.
Just KG. Are the books really that thin? Wow.
I don't know. Maybe.
It's pumping. It's working.
You're doing it.
Is there a GIF for that? Anakin Skywalker. It's working. Yes, there is. It's working.
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
I say that all the time. I'm like, it's working. It's working.
Oh my god.
Wow, millionaires.
Oh my god, I swear to god, you guys are awesome if this fucking rips.
Point to the guys.
My tip address is in my Discord. I'm just kidding.
I'm up $12 now. It's just down 35. Spot. Fuck. Oh, we just broke out.
It's just some wild. That's some wild shit right there. Like what it's done
Look
over
on
the last
15.
few
Just broke
days.
above all the.
Look at these swings. Holy shit. It's so crazy, man. Far out.
Breaks that high, that previous one, just to the left of it, and it comes back to retest the top of that triangle. Fuck it, I'll buy some.
Yeah, I'm up $11.
Woohoo!
Why don't you buy it at the bottom
Let's
here?
go.
Now, when you sell, make sure it's a
Why would you
limit
buy it?
post only, because you'll cause slippage and you won't get what you think you're getting when you get out.
Oh,
Make
I'm
sure
never
it's-
selling.
Yeah, post
I got
only
my
limit.
limit set. $250.
Is it post only?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Post Maloney.
Post Malone.
I'm also up 20% on Luna Classic since you guys talked about it.
Hell yeah. Legend.
Luna Classic.
Whoa.
I wish I could tell you what your fucking take profit is if you set a fucking limit.
It does.
Where? How on your app?
Yeah.
Where?
You set a limit, and then you drag the bar over all the way to the right. You don't have to set it. You just drag the bar over, and it'll tell you. Or set it to limit, and then drag the bar over, and put it on sell. I mean, obviously, but
Yeah, strong support at 0. Now you just gotta wait for people to take the bait, huh?
Oh, I see.
You gotta wait for people to take the bait. Or whales to push
I
it.
accidentally posted those charts in the founders channel, not general.
oops. If I sold this at all-time high of 1,700, I'd have 1 million. Wait, where'd it go?
First stop would be 6, right? 60 cents.
Hilarious. No.
$60.
What's that from
1,700.
here? That's like 60.
That'd be 1.8 million%.
That's crazy.
All-time high from here.
Time to buy more.
What did you do? Put like $100 in it, or?
I put 109.
109.
Let me ask the obvious.
190.
You're talking about.
Oh, 190. Okay.
You're talking about next gen, right?
We are.
Yeah.
It's
figured.
your lottery ticket, guys. It's a lottery ticket.
Yeah. Well, you guys don't listen.
Dude, I was right onto it. 35 minutes into its birth.
I put 500 in, Sammy. What are you talking about?
Yeah. When?
Just
After
now.
OG and yeah.
Just
okay.
now, like around
That's what I'm
7
saying.
cents.
You weren't here earlier.
Well, we got it at 3, or I did. But it could always go back down there and then take off.
It has a couple
Oh, it
times.
won't. No, it's gonna go up. That's all it's gonna do.
Up only.
Well, then we're all going to be freaking millionaires.
I mean, I do think it looks like a complete scam, just like when I saw the NFT coin, on here last year or the year before on KuCoin. That thing was a complete scam.
Yeah, but just look at at least it's printing a red and now, or no, a green and then a red and then maybe a green candle, and that would be very nice.
What does that mean?
Where do you have your limit set, guys? Your limit cells? Are you thinking big, or are you
Half
like
60 cents?
60?
60, I think $68, $65.
Dollars?
Yeah.
Dude, good luck.
If it
Went to
does,
17 cents.
if it does do that, I mean,
Yeah,
Maybe
if
I'll just
does,
put it at
that'd
$3.
be incredible. I can't. It's insane. How the hell did it get to $1,700? Like $1,700. How did it do that? Was it a tokenomics trick? Like they had all this, they had no supply, and then all of a sudden they've introduced all this supply and it's drowned it out down to the cents.
I don't know.
I don't know how that works. That's what would make sense to me. Like it had money in it.
If you go to
and then they diluted the crap out of it, and it's gone down because of the dilution.
If you go to the second trading screen on MEXC, where it shows the bigger chart,
Info.
and then go to here you go.
Bitcoin.
Anybody thinking about a short on Pepe?
So big order, medium order, small order. There's $2 million orders in here for this shit.
Oh, you mean the
That's
depth chart?
crazy.
This one? OG?
The death chart.
The depth chart. Yeah,
Yes.
There's a lot of orders there. There's a lot of people trying to sell it too.
It's a fund flow analysis.
Oh.
I'll still put it in general. But yeah, it's just depth chart pretty much just broken up a different way, I think.
What if it does do that though? Go to $50
LFG.
or something.
Then we won, finally.
No, I mean, would you sell immediately? Like half your bag?
Yeah.
Or, yeah.
Yes,
funny.
Samson, absolutely fucking lootly.
This website has
Shitcoin,
been
man.
blocked.
How much would
How
you
many
pay?
you got now, OG? You
Huh?
probably got more. You might have more than me now.
Oh, you sold
6,000.
some?
No, I have
Oh.
6,000 some.
Um,
I bet it's only, what is it, 300? Or no, it's $500 now, I think, because it went
yeah,
up.
I got 2,300.
I'd make $250,000, Samson, or no, $300,000 if it goes there. $50.
Yeah, isn't that fucking crazy?
Yeah.
And like you said, how the hell did we? What did you see it on, OG? The cheapest that you saw it when you first saw it?
2 cent.
No way. See that?
Yeah.
I should have looked at
I
because
bought it
would
at
have.
like $200 or some shit. I bought it at.
Yeah, but all right. So that was when it came back down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I was gonna say if you caught it at 2 before.
I got like $20 worth. Just see if it went back up, and it did.
Maybe it
Like
was.
200,
It's
like
just.
200% out of it.
Maybe it's just a fat finger. You know, it really didn't do what we think it did. But
No, there are people who did not millions into it. You see on the flow chart.
All right, YouTube. I'm gonna bounce. Thanks for tuning in. It's been real. Don't get wrecked.